you want to just draw a curve like this. Curves back to the tail. Curve again. Curve back here. Bottom part. Add some like a fin for the top part. Generally, regular fish don't have fin that is quite sharp like a shark. It's actually like more like this. Right. And then we have the fins down here. Just add an eye. Mouth, a line for the gill, for the big gill, and a few wiggly lines for the scales. If you want to, you can make this thing sharp if you want to it's up to you, depending on what kind of fish you're drawing. So yeah, so this is an extremely simple way of drawing a fish, and I hope you guys like it.